We kept hearing people say that Crater Lake was going to be shutting down for the next 4 years. That sounded pretty extreme, so while we were here, I decided to go straight to the source to get the facts. We were told that we were like the last ones that were going to be able to get into Crater Lake to see anything here because the park was basically shutting down for the next 4 or 5 years. And then somebody the other day told us that this is the only thing that's really closing.
So it's the access. It's the only access point to the lake.
Okay.
So that made the headline of Crater Lake is closing.
Exactly.
And everyone thought the national park. So it's really just our only access point to the lake. So it's the only way we can go swimming, the only way we can go boating, the only way we can fish.
Okay.
So that's going to be closed for 2 to 4 years.
Okay.
It really depends on how quick we can get the work done.
Okay.
Just because our seasons are super short. So we only have like 3 months out of the year to get down there and actually get work done. And then it starts snowing, and then the rim closes.
Right.
So really, it's just that, and hopefully, it's just 2 years. Hopefully, we get in and we can knock it out. But really, we're redoing the whole marina area. We're going to fix our boat dock. We're going to redo our boat docks, and then we're just going to do some show maintenance.
Okay.
So yeah. But yeah, and it's our most popular trail, so it does need a break too. It just needs a little R&R. So.
Well, we did the part of the rim trail yesterday, and it was so beautiful. So I mean, people were telling us, "You're so lucky you're going to be able to get to see the lake because for the next 5 years, people aren't going to even be able to see the lake." And I'm like,
you will
wow.
be able to view the lake. The lake isn't going anywhere. We're not going to close the park. The park will be here. We'll still have all of our winter activities. This is another big winter sport park too, because we do a lot of snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, and all that stuff. Because of how much snow we get, everybody wants to come out here.
That makes sense.
So it's just we kind of switch gears from summer to winter.
Okay.
And then so we'll close down for this season, and the next season, as we open up for summer, we're not going to open up Cleetwood Cove.
Okay. Well, that is good news.
Absolutely.
Somebody needs to get the word out.
I think it was just a good headline for somebody.
It really
to get a bunch
was.
of clicks, and I think that's what happened.
Yeah.
And so now it's a bad rumor that's just spread.
Yeah.
So,
all right. Well, we're going to try to make sure that everybody knows it's just a bad rumor.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thanks. So all those people that told us we were so lucky to be able to get into Crater Lake before they closed for 4 or 5 years, they had no idea. They believed the bad rumor that's out there that Crater Lake is actually closing for all this construction and being closed for that long of a time. It's just one little trail, so you can still see the lake from the rim trail and all these different viewpoints. So that's really awesome. The only thing you're not going to be able to do is actually hike the one trail that actually goes down to the water, which is also where you catch the boat rides and if you want to do a little bit of swimming. And we didn't realize that we couldn't kayak while we were here because we had seen people in videos from years ago that were kayaking on the lake, and apparently since that time they have quit allowing that because you might bring in an invasive species on your kayak. But anyway, the good news is that we're going to straighten out the bad rumor that Crater Lake is closing and you're not going to be able to see the lake. You're going to be able to see it. You won't be able to hike down to it and actually touch it or jump into it. So here's the really, really good news. All those people that didn't hear that was just a really bad rumor aren't going to be reserving a campground because they think that they're not going to be able to actually see the lake. So go get yourself an awesome campsite as soon as the booking window opens, because there's probably going to be some good sites available. And if you're curious to see what the Cleetwood Cove Trail looks like before the shutdown for all the construction, I've got an entire video that shows you the whole hike. You can watch it right here. I will leave a link in the description below, and I'll see you over there.